Hello! In this lesson, we'll explore basic scene management through prompts. A prompt is a description of what the network should visualize during generation. Overall, several things influence generation: prompt, references, and styles. Let's start with the simplest scene. We write in the prompt, beige background. Since we didn't specify anything else, the network only drew the background. Let's improve the scene by adding a table and expanding the prompt to include a wooden table. Let's further enhance it by changing the prompt, replacing the beige background with autumn, and adding that we have a forest. The neural network draws according to the prompt. Now, let's add coffee to the cup. For this, we place an elliptical element on top of the cup and color it brown. In the prompt, we add coffee cup, since the content of the cup and the presence of coffee are now important, as well as steam above the cup. The result starts to look more interesting. But let's not stop there. For more realism, we add the phrase raw photo at the beginning of the prompt. This will suggest the network draw a more realistic photo. But be careful with this, as it may worsen the results for creative shots. Now let's see how to get a blurred background effect. One option is to add the bokeh style. You can either write bokeh in the prompt or select the corresponding style, which is what we'll do. Also, we'll remove the forest from the prompt, as it would interfere with creating a full bokeh effect. This is what the classic bokeh effect looks like. Words in the prompt have varying degrees of influence on the result. The closer a word is to the beginning, the more influence it has. Additionally, you can enhance the influence of individual words by enclosing them in brackets. You can enclose both single words and entire sentences. For example, let's strengthen the word steam by enclosing it in brackets. The more brackets, the stronger the influence. Compare the results. Let's talk about lighting. Explicitly setting lighting helps improve the quality of the image. You can read more about types of lighting in the lighting management section. Let's add volumetric sunlight. Looking at the results, rays appear, and the overall picture becomes brighter. Or, for example, let's specify that we have night and a starry sky. The network will obediently draw what is requested. Now let's change the season, switching autumn to winter. Or, for example, let's change the location to mountains in summer and also at sunset. We'll remove the bokeh style to better view the panorama. Here we change the season, location, and lighting all at once. Experiment more, and everything will work out. But don't complicate the prompt unnecessarily. In most cases, it's enough to list the objects in the frame, specify the location and lighting. Let's compare an example of a good prompt and an overly cluttered one. In the example on the left, we simply listed the objects, while on the right, we added many unnecessary details. Additionally, or even instead of a prompt, you can use references. References allow you to set frame details that are difficult to convey in words. The system automatically takes the main ideas and uses them for generation, along with the prompt. Let's compare the same scene with and without a reference.
Удачных генераций!